Hey guys, good morning and welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the selection and projection operations in SQL. So let us get started. So the simple-most selection operation is select star from country. So country is one of the tables that we have in our database, and it is going to select all the rows and all the columns from this table country. So star means all the rows and all the columns. So this is the simplest selection operation. Okay, I guess we haven't executed the earlier statement use Sakila. Now we are going to execute this and it should actually give us the result. Yes, we have the result here. So it is showing us the list of countries with the country ID and the last update date. So this is the simplest form of select operation where we are selecting all the rows. So basically select operation deals with selecting the rows. Now let us have a look at the project operation. So here we are able to select all the columns. Projection means selecting only a few columns from the table in the database. So it goes something like this. Select country ID, country from country, and it is going to select only two columns from this particular database table. Now we can even change the order of the columns that we are using in this particular query. So this operation is basically known as project operation. In the project operation, we have to select only a few columns, and the order of those columns could be anything. So here the country column is selected first and the country ID column is selected after that. So this is the projection operation. So in the selection operation, we select the rows. In the projection operation, we select the columns. So we are going to see this selection operation in detail in the next section of this course. So in order to have some sort of limit on the kind of rows that we select, using the select operation, we can use the where clause. So where clause is the place where we can specify the condition for the selection. So as of now, we are not using the where clause. That's why it is selecting all the rows from our database table. So this is the very basic and primitive form of select operation in SQL. And as I told you already, project operation means projecting or selecting only a few columns and in any order that we want. So now let's move forward. We are going to have a look at operators and precedence. So I'm going to write a simple query again. So this is select star from film. So if I execute it, it is going to show me the data from the table film. Okay, and all I have to do is select title, comma, 12 multiplied by rental rate plus 200 from film. So if I execute this, it is title and rental rate. Okay. So here we are multiplying rental rate by 12 and then adding 200 into that. Now these are the operators. So this is multiplication operator and this is addition operator. And we know about mathematical precedence of any expression. So basically this is an expression. And according to the BODMAS, this is going to evaluate the multiplication, and then it is going to add 200 to that. So I'm just going to copy this query as it is, and let us see what happens now. And if I execute this, this is the output. We are using parenthesis here, but it did not change the order because we are using parenthesis around 12 multiplied by rental rate. So anyway, it was evaluating this expression first, and then it was adding 200 to that, even without the parenthesis. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to change the order by adjusting the position of parenthesis. So here I'm going to say rental rate plus 200. So if I execute this, it is going to evaluate this expression first, rental rate plus 200, and then it is going to multiply this entire output by 12. So this is how we can use parenthesis to specify the order of the evaluation of the expression. Okay. So this was all about operators and precedence. So in this video lecture, we have seen a couple of things. So the very first thing that we have seen is that if without using this use statement, if we try to execute any query, it is going to throw us an error. And then we saw how the selection operation works and how the projection operation works. Then we also saw the operators and precedence of the operators. And we also saw that this is the simplest form of select statement, and we can even use the where clause, and we are going to have the demonstration of the where clause in the next section of this course. So I want you to go ahead and practice by modifying these queries and then checking the output. So you can just go ahead and modify these queries. A PDF corresponding to all these queries will be there in the downloadable section of this particular lecture. So you can refer that PDF, copy the queries from the PDF and execute them as it is, as well as modify them to see how the output changes when you modify the queries. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries or comments about this video lecture. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.